So, what skills do you actually need to succeed in the next 5 years? I bet the answer isn't quite what you think it is, mainly because the world is changing faster than ever. Let's break down what's really going to matter.
Okay, let's start with a number. 65%. Just let that sink in for a second. What on earth could that mean? Well, it's a statistic that should honestly change how every single one of us thinks about jobs, about school, and about the future itself.
Here's what it means: 65% of kids entering school today are going to end up working in jobs that literally do not exist yet. I know, it sounds like something out of a sci fi movie, right? But it's the reality we are all heading into. So that's the big question, isn't it? If the goalposts are constantly moving, how in the world do you get ready for it? The good news is there actually is a blueprint for this, and we're about to walk through it together.
And right at the heart of all this change, you guessed it, it's artificial intelligence. To really make it in this new AI-driven world, you're going to need a whole new game plan. The way to think about this is that a future-proof career is built on two pillars. On one hand, you've got the technical skills, the stuff that lets you actually power the technology. But on the other hand, you need the human-centric skills, the skills that let you guide it. Trust me, you can't just have one without the other anymore. All right, let's dive into that first pillar, the technical toolkit. These are the hard skills, the nuts and bolts that make our digital world go round. Okay, the absolute foundation here is machine learning. Instead of telling a computer exactly what to do step by step, we're basically teaching it how to learn from data all by itself. This is the engine behind almost all the cool AI stuff you see today. And look, this isn't some far-off futuristic thing. You're using machine learning dozens of times every single day. When Netflix knows exactly what show you want to binge next, that's machine learning. When your voice assistant actually understands you, yup, that's it too. It's already woven into the fabric of our lives. So, if machine learning is the engine, what's the fuel? Well, it's data. Piles and piles of it. AI is nothing without data, which is why data science is one of the most important fields out there.